Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a signature in Zoho Mail. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com and log in to your Zoho Mail account. Once inside, go to the top right and click on this gear icon to access your settings. A pop-up menu will appear, and on the left panel, scroll down until you see the signature options. From here, you can see all the existing signatures that you have on your Zoho Mail. To add a new one, click on the plus icon. Then first, enter a signature name. Say, this would be space, and then on this space provided, you can enter your credentials that you wish to put on your signature or together with your signature. Let's say engineer, then your work email, and then your contact number. And then you can configure this by making it bolder, italic, putting an underline, change the font, change the size, and even change the color if you want. And once you're done, click on save. And now, as you can see, once you use the signature, these credentials will appear together with it. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!